Hey everyone, in this video we will explain how to add menu items in the Store Menu function in the Foozimo web portal. Go ahead and log in with your administrative email and password and click on the Store Menu icon. As you can see here, you can add, edit, remove, or prioritize store menu items. We are going to add a menu item, but before we do that, you want to make sure that you are in the correct store by clicking this drop-down box if you have multiple locations. You want to make sure that menu item is going to the correct store location. Now go ahead and click on Add. At the top you will see these two open tabs. Once the basic and advanced tabs are completed and saved, then the other two tabs will open up for editing. So in this case, we have a Chinese restaurant. And for whatever reason, they decide to sell pizza. So let's type in cheese pizza. And under menu type, you'll see there is nothing else but Chinese. But since it is editable, you can write Italian in this box and change the menu type. Now in menu category, there is nothing here, so we will have to add it in. Now, would it belong to a pasta category? No. So let's put pizzas here. So if you have 10 more pizzas to enter, all of them would go under Italian menu type and pizzas menu category. Now, who is responsible for making this pizza? The chef would be, obviously. Now, if this were an alcoholic beverage, it would go to the bar station for the bartender. If you need to add a station, go to the Start menu, Self-Service, and Stations. So you would see multiple stations here. But for now, this Chinese place does not have a bar, so no bar station is necessary. Here we can add a price. Let's say $9.99. Spice level, how about a 2? And ingredients, you can write cheese if you want to. If you want to write more, that's up to you. Is this cheese pizza available for dine-in, pickup, or delivery, or all of them? In this case, it's available for all of them. So I'll check all of them. You can save here, and it would be fine. But you can add a bit more details with the Advanced tab. So who is this pizza intended for? Is it for kids only, adults only, or all? Well, it's not an alcoholic beverage, so it's for all. Interesting Facts is great if you want to highlight that this is an historical menu item or anything you want to write. Now, availability is an important one. You can specify what time this dish is available, for example, only on Thursday through Sunday. So you can set the days and even time if need be. Let's say if you had a breakfast pizza or something. You can tag this cheese pizza as a vegetarian meal, so it's easier for people to search for it, and save. There is your cheese pizza. Now let's go back in there, and if you wanted to add a pizza, you would click Add and write something else here and change the price. We can go ahead and change the price to, let's say, $11.99. Now you see at the top, these two tabs have opened up for adding more options. Let's add crust as a category. Single type means that you can only choose one of these items. Can't have multiple crusts on one pizza, right? Thin crust or pan crust for $1 more. And we can set the thin crust as the default. Then save. Now let's go to Item Images. And here you can add a URL or a picture from the web of your cheese pizza. I don't have one, so I'll just click Cancel and Save. Now once you save an item in the web portal, it is available on the Foozimo Smart app for customers to order in real time, and or on your restaurant's Foozimo or Kitchen Gizmo app. Now you can change the price of an item, as we did earlier, but you cannot change the name of an item. You would have to remove it and add a new one. Now with priority, you can move items and categories to the top or rearrange them however you want to maybe highlight certain items. But we can show that in another video. Let's remove the cheese pizza and see what happens. And there you go, it's gone. That concludes the store menu video. And if you have any questions, you can email us at help@foozimo.com.